Hey guys, TMFD official here, and today I'm going to be showing you how I make my natural protein shake. But before we proceed, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe as we are almost at that 1,000 subscriber mark. Yeah! Let's go! So some of the things that you will need for the protein shake include 2 to 3 bananas, some groundnuts, a glass of milk, some biscuits, a knife, and a blender. Most of these things are readily available, so I know you can easily get them. The reason why I like making and taking this protein shake is because before I go to the gym, it gives me that energy which boosts my motivation. And even when I'm doing the reps and the sets, I can feel that I'm 10% or more stronger than I was. Then when I get out of the gym, I usually take another glass, and it makes me feel relaxed, full, and my whole body is like renewed. So I won't take much of your time. I'll show you how I prepare the ingredients to give you that sweet protein shake. So to begin with, you can add the bananas, there you go, get in there, little guy. Then I add the groundnuts. I usually prefer them with the outer coating because it gives the protein shake a balanced, salty and sweet taste. So you can add them in any order you prefer. Then you add the milk here. And then you can put in your biscuits for flavoring. Then you take your lid, close it, make sure it's sealed tight. And voila! Make sure your blender is good.
I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. Yeah, you ain't see me activated. You better hope that you never see me agitated. I think about my actions, plan them out, evaluated. That's how I end up on the top, man, I'm calculated. My mind's a weapon, my body is the engine. I'm never second guessing, I just do what I was destined. Cause I feel I got the blessing, persistence and obsession. That's how you keep progressing, I already learned that lesson, yeah. I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again.
So you can check for the consistency you like and add like half a glass of water. So I usually check whether there are any particles of groundnuts remaining that have not been blended well. As you can see, it's not yet done. The consistency is a bit flaky, so I'll give it another run, rather another blend.
got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad,
Yeah.
baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad. Chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me. Ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious, I'ma go cause some pain, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame, yeah. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad.
So I think it's done. So let's see what we have here. And voila! You can see the consistency now is good. Looks like some chocolate, so I'll just pour it in. As you can see. The consistency is really looks good. So there we have it. So there we have it. A sweet looking protein shake that you can take before doing your workouts, either cardio or going to the gym. So in the comment section, leave your comment and tell me the ingredients you use to make your natural protein shake, so that we can all share what we like about this sweet drink we have here. So before I have a taste, please remember to share, like, and subscribe. Wow.